New member of the Chub Monsters. She's blowing bubbles. Name's Mackenzie. No, her name's Kenzie. Say hi, Kenzie.
Hey!
And she has a YouTube channel, so.
I do. It's called Random Nights. Nights with a K. 6006.
Hey, you should
Okay.
Because
you should
shut up. I had the feeling that's gonna be the year I graduate.
you should whatever it's called to us.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
So
As soon as I figure out how to do that,
and
I
so
will.
should you. You guys should subscribe. Just click on that little button above our video. It says subscribe on
Is
it.
it really above?
Yeah, it's above the video.
She
It says subscribe.
I think I stole.
No,
it.
I'm just on YouTube way too much. Okay, so this is Kenzie, and she's gonna be in some of our videos in the future.
I'm not an official Chub Monster. I'm an extra. I'm an unpaid intern.
And none of the Chub Monsters are paid.
Exactly, unpaid intern.
Okay, but
Hence the name unpaid.
okay, so sorry we have so many introduction videos, but Kenzie,
We
are
should
you
just-
humping
We
the
should
air?
like get them all together once.
Okay, we need to get everyone all together once, probably at that thing's birthday party, and we'll introduce everyone.
That joke.
No, I just said thing.
That's rude.
And sorry
Or
we have.
someone's birthday.
Yeah.
Me. No,
Okay.
You.
Shut up! I'm trying to make a point.
Well, you wouldn't invite like.
I'm trying to make a point here.
You probably wouldn't invite like Jamie and all that.
Okay, sorry, Jamie.
Jamie.
Okay, sorry we have so many introduction.
She doesn't like know me.
Okay, wait. Sorry we have so many introduction videos. It's just because we have. Don't mean to sound popular, but we have a lot of friends that
Yeah.
are like really close to us that are like sisters. Yeah, don't do that. Rapist.
Party animal.
You're a rapist.
I know.
He's humping you guys.
My parents abused me.
Okay, so is that appropriate? She just humped the camera.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
No, I did not.
Sorry.
I'm saying my parents are abusive, so.
No, okay, Kenzie, shut up. So here, let's look at her face. So yeah, check out her channel. What is it? It's Random
Nights with a K. 6006.
Yeah, because that's the year she's graduating.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I'm
just
gonna be dead.
check it out. I don't think she has a video up yet, but
I will in a few minutes. I hope.
not in a few minutes, probably a few days,
Yeah.
because she procrastinates. Okay, say bye.
That is like
Bye.
my career.
Say bye. Peace out, lady. Bye. Nah, bubble.